Google launches AI-powered contextual translations. Imagine communicating with anyone in the world in real time, no matter what language they speak. It sounds like science fiction, but it's about to become a reality thanks to Google's new AI. Google has developed a new AI translator to translate languages accurately in real time. This new AI translator could revolutionize the way we communicate with each other, and it has the potential to break down language barriers once and for all. Google's new AI translation system is a neural machine translation (NMT) system that has been trained on billions of words of text and code in multiple languages. The system can translate text in real time, meaning it can translate text as it is being spoken or written. How Google's real-time translation system works. Google's real-time translation system works by using a combination of speech recognition, natural language processing, and machine translation technologies. Speech recognition. The first step in Google's real-time translation system is speech recognition. Speech recognition is the process of converting spoken language into text. Google's speech recognition system uses a neural network to learn human speech patterns. The neural network can learn these patterns by analyzing large amounts of audio data. Once the speech recognition system has converted the spoken language into text, the text is then passed to the natural language processing (NLP) system. Natural language processing (NLP) is the process of understanding and generating human language. Google's NLP system uses a variety of techniques to understand the text, including tokenization. The NLP system breaks the text into individual tokens, such as words and punctuation marks. Lemmatization. The NLP system identifies the base form of each word. Part-of-speech tagging. The NLP system identifies the part of speech of each word, such as noun, verb, or adjective. Dependency parsing. The NLP system identifies the syntactic relationships between the words in the sentence. Once the NLP system has understood the text, it passes it to the machine translation (MT) system. Machine translation (MT) is the process of translating text from one language to another. Google's MT system uses a neural machine translation (NMT) system. NMT systems are MT system that uses neural networks to learn the relationships between words and phrases in different languages. The NMT system translates the text by first generating a representation of the text in the source language. The NMT system then uses this representation to create a translation of the text in the target language. Once the NMT system has translated the text is then passed to the text-to-speech (TTS) system. Text-to-speech (TTS) is the process of converting text into speech. Google's TTS system uses a neural network to learn human speech patterns. The neural network can learn these patterns by analyzing large amounts of audio data. The TTS system converts the translated text into speech by generating a waveform representing the speech. The waveform is then played to the user through the device's speakers or headphones. Google's real-time translation system is a complex system that uses various technologies to translate speech from one language to another in real time. The system is still under development, but it has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate with each other. Benefits of Google's real-time translation system. Google's real-time translation system has many potential benefits, including improved communication. Real-time translation can help people communicate with each other, even if they don't speak the same language. This can be beneficial in various situations, such as when traveling, conducting business, or providing customer service. For example, a traveler can use real-time translation to ask for directions or to order food at a restaurant. A business person can use real-time translation to present to a foreign audience or negotiate a contract with a foreign client. A customer service representative can use real-time translation to help a customer who speaks a different language. Reduced barriers. Real-time translation can help to reduce barriers between people from different cultures. This can lead to increased understanding and cooperation between people from different backgrounds. For example, real-time translation can facilitate communication between refugees, aid workers, immigrants, and their new communities. It can also be used to promote cross-cultural understanding in schools and workplaces. Increased accessibility. Real-time translation can make information and services more accessible to people who don't speak the primary language of a region. For example, real-time translation can be used to translate captions on TV shows or to translate restaurant menus. It can also provide access to education and healthcare for people who speak minority languages. In addition to these general benefits, Google's real-time translation system has several specific benefits. For example, the system can translate between a wide range of languages, including many languages that are not widely spoken. The system can also translate specialized language, such as medical or legal terminology. Additionally, the system is constantly improving, so its translations are becoming more accurate and fluent. Challenges of Google's real-time translation system. There are many challenges that Google needs to address before its real-time translation system can be widely deployed. These challenges include accuracy. Real-time translation systems are not always accurate, especially when translating between languages that are very different. This is because real-time translation systems need to translate text as it is being spoken or written, which does not give the system enough time to analyze the text context fully. Google is improving the accuracy of its real-time translation system by using new machine learning techniques and increasing the amount of training data that the system is trained on. However, more work must be done to ensure that Google's real-time translation system is accurate enough for all use cases. Cost. Real-time translation systems can be expensive to develop and maintain. This is because real-time translation systems require a lot of computing power and storage space. Google is working on reducing the cost of its real-time translation system by developing new hardware and software that is more efficient. However, Google must find ways to make its real-time translation system more affordable for consumers before it can be widely adopted. Privacy. Some people are concerned about the privacy implications of real-time translation systems. Real-time translation systems must access the user's microphone and camera to translate speech and text. Google has stated that it takes privacy seriously and will only use the user's data to provide translation services. However, Google needs to do more to reassure users that their data is safe and not being used for other purposes. Overall, Google's real-time translation system is a promising technology with the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate with each other. However, there are still many challenges that Google needs to address before the system can be widely deployed. Google is committed to making its real-time translation system more accurate, affordable, and accessible, and we will likely see significant progress in the coming years. Future of Google's real-time translation system. Google's real-time translation system can potentially revolutionize how we communicate. With its ability to translate text, speech, and even sign language in real time, Google's translation system can help us break down language barriers and connect with people worldwide. In the future, we can expect to see Google's real-time translation system integrated into various products and services. For example, real-time translation features can be built into video conferencing apps, social media platforms, and everyday devices like smartphones and smart speakers. This would allow us to communicate seamlessly with people from different countries, regardless of our language skills. Google's real-time translation system could also majorly impact the education and business sectors. For example, students could use real-time translation to learn new languages more effectively, and businesses could use real-time translation to expand into new markets and reach a wider customer base. In addition to improving the accuracy and affordability of its real-time translation system, Google is also working on developing new features and applications. For example, Google is developing a real-time translation feature for its Pixel Buds, allowing users to translate conversations with people speaking different languages. Google is also developing a real-time translation feature for its Google Translate app, enabling users to translate signs and menus in real time. The future of Google's real-time translation system is bright. With its ability to break down language barriers and connect people from all over the world, Google's translation system has the potential to impact society in many ways positively. Google's new AI translation system can potentially revolutionize how we communicate. By making it possible to translate text and speech in real time, Google's system could break down language barriers and make the world a more interconnected place. There are many potential benefits to Google's real-time translation system. It could help to improve communication between people from different countries, reduce barriers between people from different cultures, and make information and services more accessible to everyone. However, there are also a number of challenges that Google needs to address before its real-time translation system can be widely deployed. The system needs to be more accurate, affordable, and privacy-preserving. Google is committed to overcoming these challenges and making its real-time translation system as accessible and useful as possible. The company is investing heavily in research and development and improving its AI capabilities. Google has also announced plans to launch several new products and services that use its real-time translation technology soon. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on Google's new AI to translate languages in real time. This is truly a groundbreaking technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate with each other. If you like this video, please be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on the latest AI trends and developments. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below,